Sometimes I give myself the sometimes I make blessings on me.
All you people up here, I want to hear from you guys too. Anybody feel like making some noise? Anybody feel like raising some hell? Turn it up a notch, one more time. Everybody make some hell. Cody Marsh, make it go. Say I should walk away with She can't take let's get out of this town. We're going ahead and sexy smile.
Number 7, this is Gabriella Lynn from West by God, Virginia. Her occupation, she said she's the mayor of Titty City. And her height, she's tall enough to ride. Her measurements, she's got the ones that keep you warm at night. With blonde hair and baby blue eyes.
Everybody doing tonight? Oh yeah. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah. I'm the prettiest guitar in the whole side of town. It's hard for me. Thank you so much. Man, I can't tell you how good it is to be back performing as a Chip. It's great to be back. Thank y'all so much for being here. Thank you so much for having us. We always have a good time here, and I'm sure we're going to have a good time tonight, right? We got a whole bunch, and I do mean a whole bunch, of really good music we're going to do for you folks tonight. But before we get into that, how about one more time, can we get a big, big hand for the people that got everything kind of started off tonight? First of all, how about it for the War Hippies? How about those guys? Love those dudes. And my buddy, Mr. Corey Marks. How about him, too? We've got a bunch of music we're going to do for you, too. Now, I have to warn you, most of the songs that we're going to be doing for you tonight have been around for a minute. I hope that's all right with everybody. But we'll throw some newer stuff at you, too. In any case, I hope you folks came out here to the Chip tonight for the same reason we did. The biggest reason we're with you out here tonight We came down here to party with y'all. That's why we're here. I'm going to ask you to do me a favor. If we do a song at any point tonight that any of you remember, you don't have to remember the whole thing, but if you just remember a few lines of it. If we do a song like that at any point tonight, could I... We sat on the front porch of that old gray house where I was born and raised. Staring out the dusty fields where my daddy worked hard every day. Thank you. Thank you so much. I love that sound right there. I did something. Yeah, do it some more. Come on. I love it. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. I did something. Thank y'all so much for coming. Till we see you again. May God bless you tonight, everybody.
It's time for round number 3 of the Miss Buffalo Chip Pageant. She stands 5'2".
Okay, so it's 12:30 a.m. here at the Buffalo Chip. Travis Tritt just finished his concert. It's really, really good song. So, kind of loud here still with all the bikes and everything. And Miss Buffalo Chip contest up there right now.
From Georgia, that is Maya.
Anyways, that's going to wrap up this video for tonight. And, gosh, 12:30 actually.
Number 4.
I still got to make it back to camp. Yeah, so, well, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for the next one.